We are reviewing Tropic Thunder, but first, we must live Tropic Thunder.
Josh, check out this. Right. It's a portal under the drink fountain, and it leads to Vietnam during the war times.
Very nice and oddly convenient to the plot.
It is oddly convenient to the plot. That is called fortuitous circumstances, Gone. There you are, Josh.
Yay.
Hey, considering all the tropes going to use in this one, we should get the guy from Sin the Sims in here.
Yeah, how much are we gonna pay him?
None.
Okay.
Oh look, you want to engage in Vietnam with the trope number 1,
What?
shooting from the helicopter.
Oh yeah, boy. Working so well.
Okay.
Oh damn it.
Josh and I went through the jungle and we just talked for a bit. We took some good long shots of nothing in particular. And then we sat on top of the hill and talked about whether or not we should go check out some old war ruins. And then a bird flew past, ruining the shot, and I did a dance with my gun. We then walked a little more through the jungle. Josh and I are hoping to tell this story in blue checkered shirts, sitting on park benches using this exact voice. It was fun, but Noah got a brick wall in the shot, ruining it. And Josh and I went to see Vietnam for our review. We always wore historically accurate uniforms, and there was lots to see and do. We did all the trails, and we did all the trenches, and saw all the old places, and we bought helmets, and we hung down. Josh then dropped his helmet in the water,